In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view blocked senders in Outlook. If you've ever wondered why certain emails never show up in your inbox, the blocked senders list is the first place to check. I'll walk you through the process in the new Outlook on the web and in the classic Outlook desktop app, so you can quickly review who's blocked and make any changes you need. Let's start with Outlook on the web, which also applies to the new Outlook interface. Sign in to your Outlook account in a web browser. Once you are in, look to the top right corner and click the Settings gear icon. A panel will open. If you see it, select View All Outlook Settings for the full menu. If that option doesn't appear, you can go straight to Junk Email from the Quick Settings panel. Both paths lead to the same place. In the Settings window, go to Mail, then select Junk Email. Here, you'll find a section called Blocked Senders and Domains. This is your complete list of blocked email addresses and entire domains that you've chosen to filter out. Emails from anything on this list are kept out of your inbox. If you spot someone you want to allow again, click the trash can icon next to that entry to remove it from the list. When you are done reviewing and making changes, be sure to click Save. That step confirms your updates and it's easy to miss, so don't skip it. Now let's look at the Outlook Classic desktop app on Windows or Mac. Open the Outlook desktop application. On the Home tab in the Delete group, click Junk and then choose Junk Email Options. This opens a window with several tabs for managing filters. If you are using a newer version of Outlook that mirrors the web layout, you may also find similar options under Settings, then Mail, and then Junk Email. Just like on the web, in the Junk Email Options window, go to the Blocked Senders tab. This is where you can view your current list. To allow someone again, select the entry and click Remove. If you want to add a sender or a domain to block, click Add and type it in. When you've finished, click OK, and then Apply or Save, to make sure your changes stick. A quick tip as you manage your list: removing a trusted contact or domain can help ensure their messages land in your inbox, while leaving known spammers blocked keeps your mailbox clean. Take a moment to review the list carefully, and always confirm your changes before closing the settings. Thanks for watching.